Hello everyone. So in this video I'm going to explain you the second principle of animation, that is anticipation. So earlier I explained you about the squash and stretch. So now we will learn about anticipation. So if I try to explain you this principle in the layman terms, like in very common terms, if like everybody is able to understand through this, then anticipation is basically preparing for an action. So whatever action you are going to do, preparing for that action is called as anticipation. So let me give you an example. Like for the first example, if I want to give you, suppose you want to throw a ball. So this is a ball you have, suppose, and you want to throw the ball. So what will be the action if you want to throw the ball? You will go like this way and you will throw the ball. So you will move your body backside, you will take your hands back, and then you will throw the ball. So that is how you prepare for the action. Like you cannot throw the ball directly like this, you will not have the force to throw the ball, or it will not look much real. Even if I want to throw the ball from here, I'll take a little bit of anticipation, that is this. I'll take a little bit behind, take my hand behind, so that I can get some energy. The more force I need, the more I have to go into the anticipation. So if I do this much, then I will have the more force, and I'll be able to throw the ball with more speed. So this is one example. If I talk about another example, suppose if you want to jump, so how will you jump? You cannot jump directly, like I am standing like this and I want to jump. So I cannot do like this. I need to go down to get that energy, to get the force, and then I'll jump. So you might have seen this in real environment as well, like the kids or even yourself. You might have observed that if you want to jump, then you get that anticipation, you get that force collected to jump, so that you can lift your body weight in the air. So that is how you collect the force, and that is what it is called as anticipation, preparing for the action. So I hope guys that you will be able to understand through this, like you can easily relate and you understand this principle through this video. And if it is so, then do like the video and share it among your friends. I'll come up with the next principle in my next video. Till then, take care and God bless. Thank you.